Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T Mike out here on Toledo Bend Lake, making another video today. I think this video is going to be great because I want to show you the T Mike trick on what I do right before I fire one of my restorations up. All right, it's kind of the highlight of the restoration process. You know, this is a 1958 7.5 horsepower Johnson for Tora right here in Louisiana. I think in the Ville Platte area. Dropped it off to me, and I've taken it apart, cleaned it, laid it out on the bench, got all the parts clean, rebuilt the carb, the magneto, the gear case, and I got it all put back together. So today is the best part of it, when I fire it up. So, you know, hooking the gas tank up to it, bringing it outside, having trouble with it, having to bring it back inside to work on it. I've come up with this little procedure for firing it up, and I thought you might be interested. So I know I got compression because I checked it before I brought it in. I rebuilt everything. I got my spark checker hooked to it with no plugs in. This is my 1/4 inch gap tester. I'm gonna pull it a few times and see if it's got spark. Everybody's ready. Here we go. See if y'all can see that spark. The thing is jumping a 1/4 inch gap like nobody's business. Oh yeah, that's got great spark. Great spark. So I'm gonna take my checker off, put my plugs into it, and I'm gonna show you how I do my testing on the next step. I'm gonna get some brand new plugs to put in it. These are the plugs I use, J6Cs. They come to gap, but I like to check them to make sure they are. Got a good gap. Okay, I got my plugs in. I'm gonna hook my wires to it. All right, the ultimate test, the pop test. I made a video on this. If you're having trouble with your motor and it won't stay running or won't start, spray some lubricated fuel down the throat of the carburetor and choke it and see if it pops. So this motor, I haven't done it to this motor yet. It's not in the barrel, but when it does run, it's just gonna pop and die because it's not enough fuel to get it going. So this is what I do to make sure it pops before I take it outside. It'll be a surprise to both me and you, but I want to bet 9 out of 10 times it's gonna pop. Here we go. Well, my pop spray bottle's not working. I must not have enough in it. I'm gonna go get some, fill it up. Pop don't want to come out. I'm going to have to put some more in it. I'll be right back. All right, I went outside and I refilled Pop. Pop's getting old. He didn't want to work today, but I got him working now. Let's give it a few sprays and see if we can make it pop. You heard it pop? Let's do it again. Pop, you heard it, huh? Oh yeah, it popped. Just long enough to make sure that it's firing right and that it's got enough gas to turn over, and it does pop. Highlight of the restore process, when you know you got all the different parts working on it and it should work. I'm going to take her outside, put her in the water, plug the fuel up to it, give her a start, and then I got to adjust the highs and lows to get it run good. A few other tips, let you know I didn't put the rubber molding yet or the faceplate or all that on it, because if you take it outside it doesn't run. You got to take the faceplate off to get to the carb, and I don't want to dirty the molding up. It goes on last. I just repainted it and I don't want to get fuel on it and all that. So just a few tips when you're doing your research, your rebuilds. The process gets easier as you do more of them and you know what to do in what order. And if it wouldn't have popped in here, I would have known I'd had a problem. I could try to work on the carb or the spark or the compression. All right, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. See y'all next time. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. You know, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, my passion are the vintage outboard motors, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, Johnson and Evinrudes. I just love them. And my mission is to have every part, every video, and every parts manual you need to repair, service, and restore those vintage outboard motors. And I think I've come pretty close to doing that. I have a website. Go ahead and click on it. It's the first link down below. It's tmikesvintageoutboards.com. On that website is the best way to reach me. You can find my mail-in service repair where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, your magneto. I'll repair it, test it, and video it and put it on YouTube for you to see. I also have all the parts you need right there on that website. I have technical consulting. If you need some questioning, I have a donation page. You can donate some money and ask me questions and I can get back to you. That's really my best way to contact me is through my website, T-Mike's Vintage Outboards. So I love what I do. I love my passion. I love helping people, and it's been a great ride. So remember, always remember and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.